Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know about how to use multi-section SOLIDWORKS. For that, first of all, I select Start Mechanical Design, Part Design, and then I select this window. For multi-section solid, we need some planes. I select this plane, and here I select plane and create a offset plane from here at 100 mm. Now I select this plane. I select Sketch and create a rectangle here. Center rectangle. Exit workbench. Come back from the sketch. Now I select this plane and select sketch option and try circle here. Exit workbench. From here select multi-section solid. I select this circle and click here and select this rectangle. Coupling, I select this ratio. See preview. See here, this is the multi-section solid feature in Catia. In next tutorial, we will know about how to use multi-section solid with the guide curve. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.